Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to draw a bar graph. I have taken an example here. This is example number 8 in your NCERT book. Favorite color of few students is given. Red color is liked by 43 students, green is liked by 19 students, blue is liked by 55 students and so on. We have to represent this data using a bar graph. Now for the bar graph, the very first and very important thing is to choose the scale. Now here if you look at these numbers, the range of these numbers is not very big. The minimum number is 19 and the maximum number is 55, and also all the numbers are two-digit numbers. So conveniently this particular data can be drawn as graphs taking the scale of 1 unit as 10. So here I am taking the scale as 1 unit is equal to 10 students. Now choosing the scale of 10 means I will be taking a gap of 10 students, like that is one box. Each box on your graph paper will be 10. So here I am just writing these numbers as, I do not need to take a number more than 60 because the maximum value of a number required in this data is 55 only. Okay, now I have taken this these numbers on y-axis. The starting point, that is the origin where the x-axis and y-axis meet each other, is always taken as 0. Now I will be drawing the bars of length, which are the lengths which are given in this data. Okay, the first one is 43. 43 means 3 divisions more than 40. So each box is 10. So each small division is 1. So this is 40 and 3 more divisions after 40. So this is the bar for the very first color, which is red, 43. In the same way, I'll draw 19, leave the gap of one box and draw this 19. 19 is 1 less than the number 20. In the same way, we have to draw 55. 55 is 5 more than 50. 49 is 1 less than 50. And 34 is 4 more than 30. On the graph paper, you can clearly see these small divisions, so it will not be difficult for you to draw such a graph. Now this graph is not complete until we are done with the labeling. We have to label this graph. This along the x-axis I have taken the favorite color. This is red, green, blue, yellow and orange. And along the y-axis I have taken number of students. So I will just label the two axes. Okay. Another important thing to note down in this is there should be a uniform gap between the bars, between any two bars, between any two consecutive bars. The gap should remain the same. It should not vary. Like here, I have taken the gap of one box between any two consecutive bars, and the same gap is applied from the starting. That is, the very first bar is drawn after one box from the y-axis. I hope now you are clear with the drawing of bar graph.